AOL lead in the innovation of intelligent cutting technology, delivering advanced automated cutting solutions for industries around the world. With precision, quality, and efficiency at our core, we help global brands streamline their production and achieve smarter, faster, and more accurate cutting performance. With 16 years of experience since our founding in 2010, we have evolved from a local manufacturer into a globally recognized high-tech enterprise. AOL holds over 110 national patents. Guided by the principle, technology builds the enterprise, quality comes first. We have earned the trust of more than 28,000 customers across multiple industries. Our partner brands include Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Porsche, Samsung, 3M, LV, Gucci, Huawei, etc. Our products are exported to more than 85 countries and regions across Europe, Asia, South America, the Middle East, North America, Oceania, and Africa. We expanded application fields include aerospace, new energy, carpets, gaskets, packaging, advertising, sound insulation, and thermal insulation, clothing, shoes and bags, furniture, automotive interiors, and various other non-metallic materials industries. We continue to expand our global reach and strengthen long-term partnerships. Our modern factory spans 20,000 square meters and operates advanced production lines covering research and design, bed welding, milling, assembly, and inspection. Each machine undergoes a 72-hour continuous test before delivery to ensure top-tier reliability. Supported by world-class production equipment and international certifications, including ISO 9001, CE, and FDA, we maintain strict quality standards at every stage of production. AOL provides comprehensive OEM and ODM customization services, including color, logo, and size options tailored to client needs. Our 3-year warranty and lifetime free software upgrades ensure continued value and reliability. With 24/7 online support, remote assistance, on-site service, and training, we provide global customers with complete after-sales confidence. Our team of more than 130 dedicated professionals works collaboratively to deliver intelligent, precise, and efficient cutting solutions. From research and development to customer service, every department operates with innovation, integrity, and a shared goal of excellence. AOL, one-stop solution for non-metal material cutting challenges.